Alright, so for the first one.
Oh my goodness.
Hey dear. Beautiful. She may spit some out. If she does, that's fine.
Did it taste bad?
It's supposed to have a great flavor taste to it. Some babies like it, some babies don't.
I'm not used to it.
But that's not my milk. That's
Sorry.
fine.
I was just telling him, grandparents are like, you have to record it. It's your first vaccinations. We're not there. They haven't met her, so everything, you know.
So they want to be involved.
Yeah, and every single thing.
That's understandable. This cracks me up. Some people go, yeah, it's for black milliliter.
Nah, I'm terrified of needles, so I couldn't do that. So drinking it or spitting everything out?
That's what's hard to tell. I think she's doing a little bit of both. That's okay. Nurse explained to me that I guess as soon as it goes into the baby's mouth, the body automatically absorbs what it needs out of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're fine.
Sorry.
It's coming out. What's the matter, Mama? I don't know.
You need help?
Yeah, if you could just twist it all the way on for me. Is it twisting? We're at the wrong. That's right side.
Oh, there you go. It's spilling now.
Okay. There we go. They're coming out really, really slow. Hold on. Let's see if we can make the hole a little bit bigger.
Sorry.
That's fine. There we go. That should be a little bit better. What the heck are you doing? I don't know. Okay, let's see if that's better. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Only a little more. Ooh. Fast work. I don't know. Come on. Good job, Mama. That's the easy part. Alright. Only if we can make them all like that.
I know. Especially for adults now.
Guess everything just can't pass through the digestive tract. Alright.
I know. Almost done.
Okay, so the next shot she's gonna receive a Pedvax Hib. Pedvax Hib helps protect against meningitis.
Okay.
She's gonna receive a Prevnar 13. Prevnar 13 helps prevent against pneumonia. And the last shot she's gonna receive is gonna be a Pedirex. A Pedirex is a combination shot. It's gonna be the first for hepatitis B. It helps protect against hepatitis B, polio, and the whooping cough. So it contains pertussis.
Okay.
Okay, you ready, Mama?
No.
Alright.
I'm the one that's nervous.
Yeah, she's just smiling at me. That's the part I hate. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clean up both her legs. And we'll go right quicker. Okay, Mama, don't hate me, alright? Okay, ready? Okay, really quick, okay?
You can't look.
That's two. That's two.
Oh my god.
You're all set. You're all done, Mama. She's all set.
She's done?